Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to connect to a VPN on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the App Store. On the App Store, search for the name of your favorite VPN. So you can just search for VPN, and then from the search result, locate the VPN you want to use and then click on it. Once you click on the VPN, go ahead and download the VPN. Now, once you download and install the VPN on your phone, go ahead and click on Open. Once you open the VPN, log into the VPN account and then click on Connect. Hang on for this VPN to connect to the server. Now, once the VPN is connected to the server, then exit the VPN page. Go back to your iPhone settings page to confirm the VPN. Then you should see the VPN turned on. You can also check the VPN information by scrolling down, locate and click on General. Scroll down the General page and then click on VPN Device Management. Then you should see the VPN. Go ahead and click on that. And here you have access to the VPN information like this. You see that? So that's exactly how to connect to a VPN on your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.